Hey, Red Dog, I'll see you later, man.
I'll see you later tonight. You sure you'll be...
Okay, you know what? I'll see you later.
Yeah.
I'll see you later, X.
All right, I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Brush your teeth. I'll see you later.
Relax, man. I'll see you later.
It's fine. I'll be fine.
Forget it. I'll see you later.
Good. Keep working on the English.
I'll see you later.
So, guess I'll see you later.
See you later.
Okay, little chicken. I'll see you later.
But I'll see you later, okay?
Sweet. Well, I'll see you later then.
I'll see you later, little brother.
All right, listen. I gotta go, so I'll see you later. All right, bye.
I'll see you later tonight.
Laura Palmer, I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
I'll wait outside. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later. I'll call you.
Okay, that'll be great. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later on.
Well, I gotta go, so I guess I'll see you later. I have track after school. I'll see you later.
That makes no sense, huh?
No. I'll see you later, brother.
All right.
But I'll see you later. Bye.
I'll see you later tonight.
All right, no problem. I'll see you later.
All right. Okay, well, I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Suit yourself.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
See you later, Mr. Campbell.
I'll see you later. Okay. Bye-bye.
I'll see you later, huh?
Wait. All right, but maybe I'll see you later.
Excuse me.
I'll see you later. We'll have lunch.
So, I guess I'll see you later.
I love you, Arthur. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
I'll see you later, guys.
All right? Okay. All right, I'll see you later, son.
You be nice.
All right, man. See you later.
Bye.
I'll see you later. See you.
He will. I'll see you later.
Go ahead. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
All right.
I'll see you later in the week.